Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Google form. So to create a Google form, you can just open the Google Forms page by going to this address docs.google.com/forms, and this page will be open. And here you need to choose between two options. You can start a new form from scratch by clicking on this blank form, so you can modify and create a form by your own, or you can also use a template from Google Forms by going to the template gallery. And here there are some categories that you can select it for your needs. There are personal forms such as reservation, party invite, or t-shirt sign up. And there's also a work category such as order form, job application, customer feedback, and others. And the last one is for education. So this is for teachers. You can create a quiz, assessment, worksheets, or course evaluation. So if you want to use template, you can just find the one that fits your needs. For example, I'm going to create a form regarding work request. So you can just tap on the templates that you want to use. If you want to use from template, the template will be open just like this. You can now just fill in the form title, descriptions. You can modify it with your own, and here you can see the question. If you want to remove certain questions that doesn't fit your need, you can just click on one of the question in here, uh, and then tap on this delete question, the trash icon, and the question will be deleted. And if you're done, you can just it will save automatically, and you can just share it by clicking on this share button, or you can just click on this copy respondents link. Click on copy, and you can just share it to your employee, for example, or to your clients. But if you want to create from scratch, I'm going to show you how you can do it. You can just tap on this blank form, and then a new blank form will be open. Here you can add the title of the form, add description, but this is optional, and then you can just add a question in here. If you want to add another question, you can click on this plus icon. And if you want to change the type of question, you can click on this drop down. For example, you want to change it into check boxes. You can just click on this and add the question. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.